In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-portfolio in Weebly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, you need to sign up. Head over to Weebly.com, where you'll find an easy user interface that will guide you through the process. It's simple, and you'll be ready to go in just a few moments. Once you're logged in, the next step is to select a theme that really resonates with your style. Browse through the available themes and pick one that fits a portfolio aesthetic. Whether you prefer something clean and professional or a bit more colorful and creative, Weebly has plenty of options for you. Once you've found the theme you like, go ahead and click on Start Editing. Now let's move on to choosing a domain. Weebly gives you the option of selecting a free subdomain, like yourname.weebly.com, which is a great way to get started without any upfront costs. However, if you want something a little more custom, you also have the option to purchase your own domain. This can add a touch of professionalism to your e-portfolio, especially if you plan to share it with potential employers or collaborators. After you've got your theme and domain set up, it's time to organize your pages. Navigate to the Pages tab, where you can easily manage the structure of your e-portfolio. Here, you can delete any unnecessary pages and create new ones to showcase important sections like About Me, Resume, and even a section for individual projects. Think about how you'd like to guide your visitors through your work and arrange your pages accordingly. Now comes the fun part, adding content. Head over to the Build tab. Weebly makes it super easy to design your pages using a drag-and-drop functionality. You can add titles for headings, text elements for descriptions, and even images as you see fit. Remember, this is your portfolio, and you want it to reflect your unique personality and professionalism. When it comes to showcasing your work, you have a couple of options. You can use the document element to upload PDFs or Word documents directly to your site, which is perfect for displaying resumes or research papers. Alternatively, if you have files stored online, you can use the button element to link to external files like Google Docs. This allows you to keep your portfolio sleek while still providing easy access to your work. Next, let's personalize your About Me page. This is a great opportunity to include a few details about yourself, your background, and your career aspirations. A photo and a small bio can go a long way in making a personal connection with your audience. You might also want to add a contact form, or at least include your contact information so people can reach out if they're interested in collaborating or learning more about you. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to publish your e-portfolio. Simply click the Publish button at the top of the page, and voila! Your e-portfolio is now live and ready for the world to see. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to creating your very own e-portfolio in Weebly. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.